Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I found this cool song with a bunch of creators collabing here. Clipse, John Legend, Voice of Fire, Pusha T, Malice. They do The Birds Don't Sing. Very artistic song. And I just made it simple with simple chords, simple string pattern. Very, yes, different with a guitar, of course, but it just my take on it. So let's go into The Birds Don't Sing. So, as you can see, capo on fourth, absolute best scenario for us. 5 chords, that's what we need. Starting with C, and it goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We have B minor as a bar chord, so place the index finger on the second fret, push down all strings except for the last E string in the bass here. Then you need to add fourth D, fourth G, and third B. We have the A minor as well, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, open E, and then finally we have the D. And that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. Okay, so let's learn the strumming pattern now. Grab the first chord C, and this, by the way, goes in the same way through the entire song, this chord progression. So you're gonna play down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. That's my take on it. That's how I would perform it. So have that in mind. You can do it in different ways because this is not your typical guitar. You cannot hear any clear guitar strumming there in the background or so. So down, up, clap, down. That's a couple rounds. Now let's go into the chord progression here. You're gonna play C1, then G1, then C1, and G1. Then you're going to B minor 2, A minor 1, and D1. And that's it. So C, G, C, G, B minor, B minor, A minor, D. Again. That's it, my friends. Round and round, that's how I handle The Birds Don't Sing. They just play guitar, maybe. Anyway, hope to see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.